Just never know when.
You can't stay here.
What if I stay in the public?
No, you can't stand on the street.
What if I stand by where the cars are all parked?
No,
How about the public easement?
All right, guys, right out of the gate, the problem is obvious and it's serious. The civilian is told he can't stand here, can't be on the street, can't even use the public easement. That's 3 separate claims, and all of them are wrong. No explanation, no law cited, just commands. And that's how it starts. Not with facts, but with authority, trying to assert control through confidence alone. The officers frame it as an investigation, but here's the reality. There's no crime, no complaint, nothing concrete, just suspicion built on presence. And this is the dangerous part, when simply existing in public becomes treated like a violation. But this time the person being questioned doesn't fold, and that's when everything begins to shift.
Good morning. How are you? Hey, I'm the best. Right now I'm just conducting a quick investigation. Conducting an investigation. Frank sent me out here.
Frank is.
For pants?
No.
Oh. Well, right now I gotta just get a certain amount of details.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
I do mind.
Oh, really?
So could I better understand why we're filming the facility?
Yeah, we do have word on what you guys are doing here.
Do you have to get
Last name Ling, L-I-N-G. Ring a bell?
No.
Really? Ming, first name?
Nobody of that name works at this facility.
Well, no, she doesn't work here.
Or has.
I believe that she's here against her will.
I'm sorry.
So I'm trying to look for her through the windows. Maybe I'd be able to see her, or if you'd mind if I come inside.
Absolutely, I would mind if you came inside.
Oh, so I can?
No, you cannot.
Oh.
I'm going to call the chief of police.
No, please, ma'am. I have warranties. Please don't. Ma'am, please. I have a baggie with a little math in it. We could do a trade. Mary Jane's?
Yeah, no.
No? I got a baggie with a little math, though. I mean, could we do some trade? You could sell it. You could use it. You're not interested? Okay. Please. Oh, good morning.
What's your name, partner?
They call me Billy.
Billy? Where you coming from, Billy?
Just down the road.
Where's down the road?
Just over there.
Okay.
By the parking lot.
What are you doing here?
Well, I'm trying to do an investigation.
Okay.
Trying to determine where the hell Miss Ling is located. And that woman's over there told me, hey, I'm going to snitch on you.
Now things take a strange turn, and honestly, this is where it gets strategic. The civilian doesn't argue in a traditional way. Instead, he flips the entire interaction into controlled chaos. Humor, absurd answers, fake names, he's not being random, he's exposing the weakness in the questioning. Because when officers start asking questions without legal purpose, they open the door to nonsense, and they walk right into it. Instead of resetting, they keep engaging, digging deeper into a situation that has no foundation. And just like that, the control starts slipping. The civilian isn't escalating, he's revealing. Showing that when there's no law behind the questions, the entire interaction becomes meaningless noise.
Why the hell are you going to snitch on me?
What you got in the back here, Billy?
Oh, I just have a baggie with a little math in it and stuff. Bit of Mary Jane's, pills.
Billy. I'm being respectful with you.
Are you?
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
So be straight.
You're a man and women. I respect the men and women in uniform.
So what do you got in the back there?
Oh, just a bit of Hornet supplies.
Can I see in there?
If you see men, yes. But there's no men in here.
Okay.
I do have some supplies.
With you?
Huh?
Yes, my ID with you?
Yes, sir. It's in my pants.
Can you get it from? Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I'm a good man.
Anything that would hurt me?
Yes.
What do you have?
Well, I do have a tape measure.
Okay, tape measure's not going to hurt me.
Oh, well, I didn't know if you're going to measure something. But that woman's the one that called. I don't know why.
Yeah. Well, what are you doing here?
Oh, investigating.
What are you investigating?
I'm looking for Miss Ling.
Okay.
And that woman seemed like she's probably knows exactly where she's at.
Where are you supposed to be at right now?
I don't know.
Can you get
That's a good question. It's in my pants.
Okay. Can I hold this bag while I get your...
It'll make me nervous if you hold it.
Okay.
I got like baggy little math and stuff in it.
I don't have to hold it.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want
I'm just here to make sure you're okay and everything.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm
Can I
Billy.
see your ID?
Yeah, it's in my pants. I can put my arms up if you want to grab it.
What is that?
I'd rather not touch you.
Oh, I mean, it makes me nervous, so.
Can you get it while you're holding your stuff?
I'm gonna try. It's in my pants. Frank sent me those, sir.
Who's Frank?
Frank Pants. That's actually his name.
Okay.
He sent me. He's being a son of a bitch, and he's the one that got me in trouble here.
Okay.
But I'm just Billy.
Yeah, go ahead and grab it, Billy.
All right, it's in my pants.
Because that's not your ID, Billy.
Well, that's what my grandma gave me so I could give
Do you have
out.
any other ID on you, Billy?
Just a D. I don't have ID. It makes me nervous if I have ID. I always got to stuff this in my pants so I don't lose it. Sir, Frank got me in this predicament.
Yeah, I'm 10-2, but you could start this way.
No, don't send more, sir. I might have some warranties on me. Is this one? Is this a police?
Nope, that's not the police.
Hey, you got a notebook.
All right, now pay attention because the tone shifts subtly, but it matters. What started as an investigation slowly turns into something else, a welfare check. Officers begin asking about health, medication, housing, completely unrelated to the original situation, and that's the key issue. You don't get to interrogate first and justify it later by pretending it's concern. The civilian plays along just enough, still mixing satire with cooperation, but the point is clear: the questions are getting more invasive, not more relevant. And now he's stuck in a gray area. Not detained, not free, just held there by implication. This is where rights quietly start getting pushed and most people don't even realize it's happening.
Yeah. Why would you have a warrant, Billy?
No, I got warranties, sir.
You got warranties.
I got them in a couple states. They call. I can't tell you. That'll make me nervous.
Well,
I just don't want to get in trouble.
You know I'm the police, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just here to help you.
That's great. Well, last time the police didn't help me. They assaulted me.
Okay, I'm not gonna sexually assault you.
Well, I had other men tell me that, and they still did.
Okay. So what's your last name?
It starts with a B.
Okay.
I'm just nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know. I'm just nervous around police.
Okay. Well,
I'm a good man,
to
sir.
help you.
Yeah,
How
you
did
could
you
help
get
me
here?
by helping me find Miss Ling.
How did you get here?
Well, somebody drove me here.
Who drove you here?
Frank
Frank
Pants,
Pants.
that piece of shit. And now he's trying to set me up, I guarantee it.
Where do you live at?
Well, I don't have a home. I'm kind of homeless, but I don't have a home.
Your clothes look clean and you
Yeah,
really
well,
so
Frank-
you're staying somewhere.
Yeah, Frank's house.
Where's that at?
I don't know. It could be around here, but I don't know for sure.
Here in, do you know where you are right now?
Yeah,
Where are you?
Humboldt,
Humboldt,
Iowa.
Iowa. Do you live here in Humboldt?
Well, I can't give that out. He told me not to tell nobody. I don't know why she's calling the police on me. I've been nothing but a good boy.
Well, you made her nervous.
I made her nervous.
Okay.
Is her name
How are you
Nellie?
dressed?
Like an assassin vampire slayer.
Okay. And you don't think that would make somebody nervous?
Well, I think that they would be like, wow, you look badass. And then I'd be like, thanks, I do look pretty badass.
You look probably badass, and
Thank you.
that makes them a little nervous.
Oh, really? So I have to
Okay.
look like a dumb nerd to make sure they don't call police?
Well, you made them nervous.
Oh,
You're videotaping out here,
yeah.
and it's just different.
Okay. You know, you ever heard those commercials, Born Different?
Yeah.
They used to be about, hey, I'm born different. That's because they were born gay. But I'm not gay, so it doesn't even matter. I might be different, but I'm the best, you know?
Okay. I'm gonna ask you a couple routine questions.
Okay. Will it confuse me and make me nervous?
I don't.
You don't
I
know?
don't know.
4. Now we hit the uncomfortable truth. The officers openly admit it, there's no crime. The issue? You're making people nervous. That's it. That's the entire justification. And that right there is the problem. Because the law doesn't punish discomfort. It protects freedom, especially when that freedom looks different. But here, perception becomes the standard. Clothing, behavior, filming, it all gets labeled as suspicious simply because it's not normal. And now they're trying to move him along, suggest relocation, offer solutions to a problem that doesn't legally exist. This is where enforcement becomes arbitrary, not based on law, but on feelings. And that's a dangerous line to cross.
I might have to use that one myself.
So, are you on any medication?
Yes.
What do you want?
I'm on pills.
What pills are?
I have pills in here. Should I show you?
Are they prescription pills?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
What pills do you have in there?
Should I show you them?
Please.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so they're over-the-counter pills?
Yeah, Frank gave me those.
For breast enlargement.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you mind if I open this bottle?
Yeah, you can open it. You can have some. We could try some together.
No.
Really?
I don't need any.
That should be a brand new bottle.
Okay.
Is it pretty good quality?
So,
Rest the large one.
are you on any prescription drugs?
Oh, hell no. I stay away from the doctor's office.
Are you
They say
supposed to be on any prescription
They
drugs?
say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that's what I like to hear.
Are you supposed to be on any prescription drugs?
Oh, no.
Okay. Who was what was the last doctor you saw?
You're making this about you, bitch.
What's special?
Dr. Goldsmith or something.
What is Dr. Goldsmith's specialty? Why did you go see Dr. Goldsmith?
I wanted to get some Pepto-Bismol because I had stomach problems and I've been diarrheaing, and I just wanted to get something that'll like stop it from hurting.
Okay. Are you hearing any voices other than mine right now?
No, that'd be badass if I was.
Okay.
You know, I would like to hear multiple voices in my head guide me along the mission.
You know
or
what
quest.
business this is?
Yeah, I just heard it. You know, they're doing bad things in this business. Frank sent me.
What did they tell you they were doing?
They're potentially harboring Miss Ming Ling.
Okay. And what were you going to do if she didn't let you in the building?
I was going to be sad.
You're going to be sad?
Mhm.
Okay. If you leave here, where are you going to?
I'll probably just keep running and never look back and see where life takes me. You know, if there's a road over here, I might go down it. If there's there's a field here, I can't go in there. But I'll find somewhere, I'm sure.
You have a job?
Well, Frank tries. I can't go into much detail what he does to me, but, you know, he gives me money here and there. Not too much, maybe $5-10. But he does what needs to be done. You know, he feeds me, nurses me back to health if I'm sick.
All right, guys, this is where the contradictions completely fall apart. The officers admit they're worried about future calls, not current violations. Let that sink in. They're not responding to a crime, they're trying to prevent inconvenience. And that's how rights slowly disappear when enforcement is driven by, we don't want to deal with this again. But watch what happens next. When challenged, their stance softens. Suddenly, certain areas are okay. Suddenly, boundaries change. Why? Because the law was never on their side to begin with. The civilian doesn't escalate, he just stays consistent. And that consistency forces the officers to adjust, not because they want to, but because they have to.
He does the right thing.
Does he drive a car or a truck, or what does he drive?
A piece of shit beater.
Car, pickup truck?
It's a shitty car, I don't know, 1984.
Okay. It's like a smaller car, bigger car?
Smaller, the 4-door, probably, maybe Japanese, Toyota. Trying to, you know.
Concerned if I let you walk away, where are you going to go to?
Oh, I'm gonna keep running, not look back.
Is there someplace I can take you to?
Well, Frank will probably come back. He always does. I just never know when.
You can't stay here.
I can't?
No.
Really? But what if I need to investigate it further?
Well, you can't.
What if I stay in the public?
No, you can't hang out here.
Really?
Yeah.
How come?
Well, because you can't stand on the street.
Yeah, what if I stand by where the cars are all parked?
No, that's can't stand on the street. It's
How about the public easement?
no. We're gonna have to get you relocate you somewhere.
Relocate me
Yeah.
to the gulag. That's when you die. You go straight to the gulag.
Are these recording right now?
Yeah, he told me to record.
Okay. There's 2 phones there. Who do those phones belong to?
Well, they're mine.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Are they working phones?
Oh, yeah, they work.
Okay.
They work pretty good.
Have you been to Humboldt before?
Oh,
Billy?
seems like a great town, though. I
This
might want to
pickup
buy a
truck
house here.
is one of my buddies is pulling up. I
Really?
should be scared. I've been here for a while, so they come to check on me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I don't want you to be
So I won't
scared.
run.
Yeah, no, you don't need to run.
That's like Deputy Douglas.
Yeah.
That's a state trooper.
Nope,
Oh.
this is my buddy Corey Lampy.
Oh, so that's police and sheriff.
Yeah,
That's a double
Corey's at
team.
the sheriff's office. Okay.
How we doing, Corey?
How are you?
Hey, I'm the best. Best of business.
With him here now, do you mind if I check you for some ID?
I do. I mean, that's the only ID I have, sir.
That was the only ID you had. Okay. So you can't stay here. Where can we get you to?
Shit. You got a park?
Well, I'm kind of thinking more of somewhere you can spend the
Motel 6.
night. Do you have money?
Well, I've got to work for that money. But I could do it. I could get out my YouTube channel, Toad Live.
And here's the final takeaway, and it hits hard. The more the officers questioned, the weaker their position became. No citation, no arrest, no crime, just a slow retreat from their original claims. They start negotiating instead of commanding. Stand over there. Stay on the grass. Not law, just compromise to avoid more calls. And that's the reality. This entire situation wasn't about legality, it was about control. And the moment that control got challenged with knowledge, it disappeared. That's why this matters. Not to provoke, but to understand. Public space is public, recording is legal, discomfort is not a crime. And if you don't know your rights, someone else will decide when you're allowed to use them.
So I can't take you to Motel 6 if you don't have a way to pay for it.
Yeah, I gotta earn the money first, but I could earn it by this evening.
Here's my concern.
Yes,
If I
sir.
let you just walk away and just start wandering around, we're going to get more calls on you tonight.
Really?
Yep. Promise you, we're going to get more
Damn, that's messed up. Why are they calling the police on me though? Just because I look cool?
Yeah, because you look cool.
That's
Okay.
fucked up. They're trying to get me thrown in a cell. I don't know. I don't like this.
We've gone through all the questions. He doesn't have a psychologist, a psychiatrist.
No, hell no. They'll say I'm I don't want to be special needs. Like I don't want to follow. No, I got pills
So
and
for others. So we need to just.
I mean I thought
because if you stay here, you're going to come back on the property.
I haven't been on property though, sir. I promise I won't.
Well, how about we get you to Fort Dodge, where you can.
Well, I don't think he's going to be down there though. I just want him to pick me up because he drove me here. I'll go do a live stream now and go ask Frank.
Can you do a live stream from right here?
Yeah.
Go ahead and start your live stream.
Okay.
You start your live stream, and I'm going to talk to.
All right. Yeah. Okay. I'll figure it out. Frank says he's going to come get me. He just said I got you.
Okay.
Somebody said put your pants on, Frank.
Okay. Well, do me this then. Hang out over there. Don't come across the street. Don't stand in the street.
Really? All right. Hey, I'll go exercise for a bit. That's fine. I'll do jumping jacks.
You get over to the grass, you're good.
Okay.
We
The
just
grass
can't
will save my ass. You know what I'm
We
saying?
can't be on the travel portion where we're interfering with traveling public.
Oh, so I can't like just run back and forth on the road. All right. That's fine.
Just if you're going to do us a favor, so we will get fewer calls if you were to be over in the grass.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Hey.
That's all we're asking.
Hey, I'll do that. That's not a problem.
Okay, Billy. All right.
Hey, you guys have a good one. Thank you.